Hello, this short video is titled The Rise of the Elites, Imposed Order or a Reaffirmation of the Christian Consensus. Caution, this video includes faith-based content. If you're easily offended by such content, this video may not be appropriate for you. So a key point as you listen that we've introduced in this series at another spot is this, a definition. The Christian consensus is a general belief within a population that the teachings of Jesus and the moral values of the Ten Commandments, when followed by individuals in a society and of their own free choosing, make society stable and healthy. Further, a person does not have to be a Christian to live in a society that has a Christian consensus, but can still reap the benefits of stability and societal health. A Christian consensus comes from the ground up. It's not forced upon the people by the government. Now here's Francis Schaeffer in his own words describing the two paths.
Now, what are the alternatives? Well, in the natural flow of things, there would seem to be only two. One, an imposed order, and we spent a long time in this episode and looking back into other episodes about the possibility of this imposed order. Or, in the natural flow of things, just one other alternative, and that is that our society would affirm the base that gave us the form and freedoms in the first place. And it would seem as though these are the only two alternatives: imposed order, or our society affirming the base that gave us the form and freedoms in the first place. It means there is an infinite God who is there, and he has created all things. Things are not a product of chance. This infinite personal God has created the heavens and the earth. He has created the space-time continuum. And very specifically, there's meaning for man in this place. But we must understand that what is involved here is truth. Not a truth which is a leap into an area of non-reason, but a truth that gives us a unity of all of knowledge and all of life. It means we have a responsibility before God, once we have this base, to influence society across its whole spectrum and the whole spectrum of life. And happily, and this is important to think about, not need to be in a majority in order to influence the consensus.
Schaeffer said near the conclusion, "Here we will find truth. This is not a leap of faith into non-reason. This is a truth that gives unity to all of knowledge and all of life." What do you think about this? Can you affirm the Christian consensus in some way? Does this challenge you to grow deeper in your faith? You might consider trying the 21-day faith experiment at the 21dayfaithexperiment.org, or also purchasing the book A Case for Faith by Lee Strobel. This is U.S. Civics Training. Thank you for listening.